In this video, we'll go over some interesting information about data science and Python. Have you ever been asked by your stakeholder who your existing customers are, and how do you retain them in this competitive market? Or how do you find new business opportunities? How do you analyze the existing and historical data to offer some new line of data-driven products and services? Or build a system which is highly available and scalable by analyzing the server logs and understanding the issue patterns? Well, data science is the answer for all such questions. Data science is a new, powerful approach and a discipline which combines aspects of statistics, mathematics, programming, and visual techniques to turn data into information in semi or fully automated fashion. Data scientists are highly in demand and valued. And as a data scientist, it will be your job to analyze the data and offer solutions and ideas for improvement in organizations. Doesn't it sound exciting? Python is one of the most widely used technologies in this domain. It has an extensive library with built-in modules, providing easy access to system functionalities, which not only improves accessibility, but also provides standardized solutions for everyday programming challenges. Apart from being an open-source ecosystem, Python and most of its incredible libraries are platform-independent. Python is part of the winning formula for productivity, software quality, and maintainability for many companies, and because of its flat learning curve, it's one of the leading technologies used globally. So how does the future look for Python as a tool for data science? According to KD Nuggets, 46% of the data science jobs list Python as a required skill, second only to SQL. According to a survey by the Association for Computing Machinery, or ACM, posted on javaworld.com, Python has surpassed Java as the top language used to introduce U.S. students to programming and computer science. The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency recently awarded $3 million to develop data analytics and data processing libraries for Python. McKinsey & Company, a trusted advisor and counselor for many of the world's most influential businesses and institutions, projects that by 2018, the demand for data scientists who know Python may surpass supply by perhaps 60%, making Python a must-know skill for data scientists. Forbes.com mentions that the demand for Python programmers in big data-related positions increased by 96.9% in the last 12 months. Learning data science was never this much fun. Before diving into the course details, let's get a glimpse into our exciting range of learning modules. Delve into Python. Play with Python. Learn the Python way. Be the Python coder. Data Science with Python course comprises 40 hours of instructor-led training, 24 hours of e-learning, 4 real-life industry projects, assignments, and 3 question sets comprising 50 questions each. To get certified in data science with Python, you'll need to complete any one project and get them evaluated by the lead trainer. Score at least 80% on the online exam.